Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Amhara, and Tigray region is that viewers heavy war is going on many fronts in Amhara and in Tigray region. We are receiving many reports from reliable sources about it that I will share with you in this video. Viewers, according to the latest reports, another new war front has begun on the Amhara and Tigray border. If you remember, I have informed you in many videos that according to several reliable sources, Alamata is under the control of Tigray Defense Force, and several attempts have been made by Ethiopian National Defense Force to gain control over Alamata. But in front of Tigray Defense Force, the Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies suffered complete defeat. And now, Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies are present near Vaja, around Vaja, located on the Amhara and Tigray border. But now, the reports are being received according to which there is a heavy war going on between Ethiopian National Defense Force, its allies, and Tigray Defense Force at the place of Bilanta on the Amhara Tigray border. Reports have been received from several Amhara sources that Tigray Defense Force soldiers are trying to enter the Amhara region through Bilanta. And about the ongoing fight in Bilanta, Tigray Defense Force sources claim that Amhara forces and its allies now trying to enter the Tigray region from Bilanta. Viewers, because Ethiopian National Defense Force and its allies suffered defeat on Vaja front and now trying to enter in the Tigray region from Bilanta. And Tigray Defense Force soldiers are defending their territories. On the other hand, there is a serious situation in northern Gondar for several days, and reportedly, Adi RK is under the control of Tigray Defense Force, and heavy fighting continues between Amhara forces and Tigray Defense Force on the sides of Adi RK. In addition, the Aguiar Liberation Front has claimed that the Aguiar Liberation Front has again gained control of the Sikiota. About a couple of months ago, reports received from Tigray Defense Force and Aguiar Liberation Front that Tigray Defense Force and Aguiar Liberation Front soldiers had taken control of Sikiota. But then, Tigray Defense Force had entered the Tigray region back from the area of Amhara and Afar region, and Amhara forces and his allies took control on Sikiota. But now, Aguiar Liberation Front has again taken control of Sikiota. And on the other hand, there are several claims from Oromo Liberation Army that Oromo Liberation Army soldiers are winning big victories against the Ethiopian army and its allies. And there are many claims from Oromo Liberation Army that Oromo Liberation Army has gained control over many areas. Along with this, dozens of Ethiopian National Defense Force soldiers and heavy weapons of Ethiopian army have also captured by Oromo Liberation Army. And a video has also been shared by Oromo Liberation Army in which Oromo Liberation Army soldiers can be seen celebrating after victory against the Ethiopian army. So viewers, let's watch the video. Thanks for watching.
Ini